My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at Aluminium Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'm going to start with LME 3-month copper. So the market has reached target X in the 94.35 area, the target for the recent sideways triangle. So what else did it do yesterday? Well, we may have a shooting star pattern. Question whether this shooting star pattern is a type 1 bearish or type 2 bullish. From its construction it looks more like a type 1 than a type 2, but we'll have to see. However, what's next? Well, one could look at the sideways triangle as also being a type of halfway hesitation, in which case we'll be looking in the 10,400 area. However, I'm not yet minded to look at it that way, at least not yet. I'd still like to consider the recent action since the bullish roof pattern back at the start of the year as a possible double top pattern, Adam and Adam type, perhaps. We'll have to see how the next few days action plays out. So far today, a move higher from the open and looking like a bullish engulfing pattern right now. Perhaps the idea of the sideways triangle being a bullish halfway hesitation is not out of reach. If that is the case, then we'll have to start looking at the 2021 high at 96.17 as the next overhead resistance. LME 3-month aluminium. Please again excuse the red labeling. My charting system continues to play silly buggers. The labels are nevertheless all still valid despite their colour. A counter to the counter, bearish army yesterday. This is after we had a bearish engulfing pattern on Friday and an immediate countering key reversal up yesterday. To add further to the mix, the market has been toying with the recent upper bull channel line currently at 23.44, which is also an upper trend line for the morphing rising wedge pattern. And this is coming out from that recent bull channel pattern. Now, as I've said over the last 2 days, there has been some transformation of patterns in recent times here. We had a recent ascending triangle back in March morph into a bull channel. Now it seems that this bull channel is morphing into a rising wedge pattern, with the early March to date uptrend currently at 22.76 being the lower wedge trend line, whilst the same connected highs, currently 23.41 since late February, that make up the upper bull channel line are also making up the upper wedge trend line. Now, in the meantime, whilst these have been morphing, I still have kept the targets where available, so that we still have target X top side for the ascending triangle pattern, which has already been achieved. It is in the 2093 area, and as I say, it was achieved last Wednesday. I have not as yet placed any targets for the rising wedge pattern, as prices have not properly broken up out of the wedge, as yet anyway. In the meantime, overhead we have the highs from June 2018 at 23.53 and May 2018 at 23.74. Below we still have the middle tine of the shallow bullish big 2011-2015 bullish shift pitch walk. That's currently at 22.98. So far today, well, initially what looked like a third countering bullish army, but this has changed into a recent possible bullish double pattern, with prices still creeping higher, most recently over the 50% Fibonacci and the big old 2008-2009 move at 23.30. We may soon have the upper bull channel line come upper wedge trend line back inside. It's all very, very interesting at the moment. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.